Perfect. All right, good evening, everybody. Happy Friday. Today is December 1st, first day of December. I am super excited. Tonight, we have a few plans for our Vlogmas, but first things first is dinner. So I'm headed over to Applebee's right now. Car side to go, ordered it on the app. So here we go. Oh, hi. Here we go. Happy bees. They're happy bees. Yeah.
Yummy. It's not for dog.
There's no dog food, my dog. What? Everything is dog food. Okay. It was crazy busy there. Seriously. So I'm glad we got car side to go. Hey. Golly.
I need help. Your fries are cold.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If I lick it enough, I'll get inside.
I got a shrimp and Parmesan sirloin.
Doggy edition.
No, not for dogs.
Oh. Yeah.
No, 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 no. Not for dogs. For moms. It's good.
Good. What happened?
Yes, my cell phone.
And it was right next to you. Tonight is the tree lighting ceremony. Holiday tree.
Not a Christmas
Not Christmas tree. We gotta get that right. It's a holiday tree. Holiday tree lighting down at St. Paul at the Union Depot. And it should be fun. There should be a little fireworks display. There is a taping of Elf, which we love.
A showing.
A showing. Showing of Elf. But we won't do that. Because Boss Baby came out on Netflix. So here we are.
Hi.
Hi. We are at the holiday tree lighting. Here it is.
Have they lit it? I suppose they have. It's all lit up.
Yeah. There's Union Depot. So we totally missed the lighting. Because parking is crazy here. And they said they were going to do a small firework display, and we literally only saw one firework go off. A single one. So I think they took that a bit literally.
The smallest.
Like they lit it up and they went boom! Yay!
Yeah.
So, it's all fun. Lots of cute kids here. Want to walk around?
Yeah. This is so cool. Stop biting.
Daddy, come on. Let's calm down. Let's put the baby to bed. What? What? No, no, no. Daddy, relax. It's bedtime. It's bedtime.
Okay. So the battery's flashing, so give a review of what you thought about our First day of Vlogmas. Our first Vlogmas activity.
It was fun. There's too many people though. That was
Yeah.
the only problem. I think we got the timing wrong. We were late for the light, like the, what is it?
The tree lighting.
The tree lighting. So it was already lit. There's one firework, a small fireworks show. I think I'll have to see if that's what it actually said online. Not fireworks show. But otherwise, it was just too many people for a little space. Like, I'm pretty sure in past years it might have been colder and less people showed up. But like the market in particular, like I was pretty excited about that when I saw it. But like there's way too many people. It was all just crowded, and the booths were like this wide.
Right.
All of them.
And you couldn't see into the booths.
Yeah,
like
you
there's
couldn't
so
really
many
see it.
people. So
Exactly.
like
And the moment you would get into a booth and look at something, there's like 10 people behind you, like
breathing down your
trying
neck.
to like, hey, buy something.
Get out of the way.
So we didn't spend too much time there. The train was pretty cool, but
Yeah.
you know, it wasn't the best Vlogmas Day 1, but it was Vlogmas Day 1 nonetheless with this little monster.
You're a monster.
We like to call her Demodog. Demogorgon. Demogorgon.
Yeah, we usually say, I'm a demodog and you're Bob.
I play you. I play you. RIP. Hashtag RIP Bob.
So sad. It's tragic.
Hashtag RIP Barbara.
Justice for Barb.
Justice for Barb! Justice for Barb! You killed Barb!
Okay, have a good night.
Good night, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. Stay tuned for tomorrow.